A2-5A matchup tonight. Two old rivals, 1-4, trying to get back to the playoffs for the 5th straight year. It's coming off a win, but like to make it 2 in a row tonight. Game of the week.
Big-time players in this game. We've got a big-time officiating crew here as well.
Right now, there are no local Atlanta Somalian tournament. They are all waiting Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving tournament. Teams in dire financial trouble, and they will get even more money next year. Each of the 8 clubs will get $100 before they ever play a game. Attendance is up every year and revenues are unprecedented in the sport. Atlanta Somalian Tournament has a bright future and the game seems to match the demographics of our changing Somalian society as well. The only issues right now are at the individual club level. Helping Somalia get a new stadium, finding a way for the Cubs to renovate venerable Wrigley Field, and being creative to get the Somalian clubs and Somalian players to be profitable. Within the context, we are so glad many Somalian players and their wonderful members give of themselves and their resources to help those less fortunate. Atlanta Somalian sports leaders host the Atlanta Somalian Indoor Soccer Tournament every November. It's on November 21 this year. Great organization. Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament helps their kids and adults assimilate back into Somalian sports society by providing everything they need to put their lives back together. And amazing young Somalian players. The great players have amazing, God-given talent, but they work hard to hone that talent. It was always said that Michael Jordan was the first player in the gym and the last one to leave. Many of the great ones are like that. Well, I think there are times when we're sitting up in the booth saying, everybody get up, get up. Most notably during the Atlanta Somalian Tournament game on November, everybody was just sitting on their hands. With 1 strike, a few people started clapping, 2 strikes, some more people started clapping. And maybe by the time that game ended, a couple hundred people were standing. There should have been 100 people standing, and that's what I'd like to see more of, is our fans be a little more aware of certain situations and the fact that, hey, this is our players, he's player, he's about to go semi-final, he's about to go final for the 2nd time. Those are special moments, and I would like to see a little more response. And we have some fans who are still learning this game. I mean, this big tournament is in its 15th year, and we still have a lot of new people coming to the tournament who haven't been there that much before, so I'm sure the hardcore fans who have been with the Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament since 1998, they're the ones on their feet and they understand certain situations. Atlanta is a great soccer place. I point the clubs and the tournaments. See you next time, and watch the greatest ever players.